Welcome to Flyers. This tutorial guides you through creating and printing flyers. You will learn how to select, edit, save, and print a flyer for your property listings. From your dashboard, click Edit Property. Click Print Materials on the right-hand navigation. Click here to select a flyer template. As you can see, we have many styles and colors to choose from. Click the flyer template of your choice. Click Save and Close to save your flyer selection and close. If you'd like to make any changes, simply click Edit to update your flyer settings. You can replace an image at any time by simply clicking on it. All of your images will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Just click on any image from the list, and it will automatically replace the current image. Click Save and Close to save all changes made to the print materials and exit the editor. When you're ready to print your flyer, simply click the Print button. Click PDF to generate a PDF version of your print materials for easy digital sharing or printing. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our helpful tutorials by visiting pictureperfectilac.com/how-to. We're always adding new videos to help make your experience with Picture Perfect even easier.